what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to teach you the basics of video editing using an extremely helpful software called Wondershare Filmora 9. So after the end of this tutorial series, that is a couple of videos that I'm going to make, hopefully you'll be able to learn how to edit your videos and make them look more awesome and better, and cut out the unnecessary parts in your video. So let's get on with this. So the video editor that I'm going to use here is Wondershare Filmora 9. Just go to your browser and type this. Wondershare Filmora 9 is an awesome video editor which offers you a lot of services that helps you make your video the best, and it can even make your shaky phone footage look like a movie. So just choose your platform and download it. Okay. I already have it downloaded, so I'll do that. So this is the home page. So Filmora 9, it has a project library. If you have a lot of projects, then you can search the names here. So these include a list of projects that you've made. Open project is basically to open a file or folder in your computer. This is a project aspect ratio. So the project aspect ratio is basically the size of the screen. That is 16:9 is for YouTube videos, 1:1 is for Instagram videos, 9:16 is for portrait, and 21:9 is for cinema. So I'm just going to use this. I'm hoping you're looking for YouTube video editing. So let's just click on new project. This is the workspace, and this is the timeline. The timeline contains of all of your clips and transitions and everything. You should do it here. And these are basically add-ons. Okay, media is the video clips that you'll import, then you'll drag it. The audio is basically audio clips if you want to include. Titles are basically to add text in your video. Transitions are basically changes from one slide to another or from one frame to another. So if you want to give a really cool change from one clip to another, then you should use transitions. Effects are basically video effects, so it will make it look more colorful, brighter, older, aqua. Transitions, you can just explore the list of transitions. It will show a preview. So if you click on it and if you drag it, this is a preview image. This will be the transition. So from one clip to another clip, this will be the transition, or a cube. It always shows the preview. As you can see, the transition will be like this, the change. You can see the preview and titles also. If you click on this, then it will show a credit directed by. You can choose lower third titles also to show text here. You can obviously move the title, but this is the default thing. You can just explore effects. So if you chose this, then it look like this. Now see, it will change. Oh, that's how your video would look like if you applied that effect. Elements are like 3D stickers in your videos, like this. Maybe this. You just have to download it. Emojis or anything. And many of you have been wondering, I think, how to add a 3D like button in your videos, like the one on the screen right now. So how you do that is you go down to the social media area. If you want to add an arrow to point to your like button, you have to do it. As you can see, there's a green down arrow here. That means you have to download it. So you right click on it, press on download, wait for some time, and it will get downloaded. As you can see, I can use it. It gets downloaded as a preview. Let's see a preview. Oh, you can't see preview of elements. Okay, go down to the social media. Now as you can see, there's a very big like button here. This is the download button. You can use it for whatever. This is maybe for Instagram likes, email, chat. You can use this, follow, and you can explore. Split screen. Now split screen is a very wonderful effect. I really like this one out of all of these. Is that it allows you to display two or more videos or photos together in one screen. So 1 and 2. This means that there will be two different videos, but you view them in the same screen. It can be a one video, one photo, two videos, two photos, anything. So in different designs and different layouts. So you can do 3 at once, even 4, 6, even 5 videos or photos at once. This is really cool. You can explore the different designs and to match your video clip. So how we start, click on import. If you have a big folder which has a lot of videos and photos, click on media, import media folder. But if you want to import some 2 or 3 files, then click on import media files. Choose whatever media clips you want. Make sure they're in the correct file format, .mp3 or .mp4 or .jpg or png for pictures. If it's a text edit document, then it won't work. For Mac users, that is. Okay. Just as you can see, I have 2 clips here. Now we just drag them into the timeline. Now this might pop up when you first drag it. The resolution or frame rate of this media does not match the settings. What you should do is you should match to media for proper rendering. Drag this. Now as you can see, this is the slider, okay, which is basically a preview. So if you drag it to the right, it will go forward in the timeline. This is a play button, this is a stop button, this is to go back or forward in your video. Let's play it. So as you can see, video clips are being played. In the next videos, I'll show you how to edit them. So this was the basics. I hope you've learned and you've installed Filmora 9. And in the next, keep watching and you learn the basics of video editing after this tutorial series. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you're new, and stay tuned for future videos. I'll be uploading them soon. And in the next video, I'll teach you how to cut videos in your timeline and also how to split them. Keep watching. Bye.